I'm restoring my Winegard RV antenna crank handle that turned yellow from years of sun damage. Instead of replacing it, I'm using Retro-Brite plastic restoration to bring it back to white again. I'll show you the process from removing the handle, cleaning it, applying the Retro-Brite product, and reinstalling it after letting it sit in the sun. All right, we're going to take a look at our product, see how it looks. And boy, what a difference already. Still noticing a touch, but maybe that's the actual color of it. Let's bring it inside, bring it in the sink, and wash it out and see how it looks. If you found this helpful for restoring yellowed RV plastic, please subscribe for more RV repair and restoration tips.